You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. Once and for all, correctly and clarify the pronunciation. You may have heard somebody say mess or mesta. How do they say it? Congeniality is how it's pronounced. That's the British English pronunciation. In American English, it's pronounced congeniality with a flap T that sounds like a D. So that's the quality of being friendly and pleasant. Mr. Congeniality or Miss Congeniality or congeniality, as the Americans would say. Did you pronounce it any other ways? Was this any useful? Congeniality? Remember this pronunciation. Friendly. Congeniality. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.